This one is ready. Look at the color.
Yes, very good. Be careful placing it in the basket.
Keep them coming down the line. Watch the stack on the left, almost. Make sure the brown turkey figs go into this bin. The green ones are for the next section.
Got it. Sorting by color code.
Watch the larger ones on the left side. Okay, positioning this one now. It's secure. Ensure the flow remains gentle on this section.
Copy that. The next batch is clear for washing.
Make sure the speed is consistent on line 3. Got it, I'll check the calibration now.
Close-up of fully dried figs after 16 to 20 hours of dehydration. Figs now show characteristic wrinkled texture, concentrated.
The consistency is ideal. It flows smoothly while retaining its body. We are clear for packaging.
The fig paste is pasteurized in this heat exchanger to eliminate microbial contamination. It reaches 80.
The pH reading of 3.4 is optimal for preservation. This acidity prevents bacterial growth and
Thirds now. The sweetness is prominent, slightly overpowering the natural fig notes.
I agree. The texture.
Watch your left, coming through with the fig order.
Bay 7 needs the refrigerated load next.
And that's how figs are processed, from fresh fruit to all these delicious products. Every step ensures the highest quality.
Be careful with the purple ones, they bruise easily.
Yes, I'm filling this basket now.